Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your internet data with your friends or family members in 2026. Now, if you have extra data in your monthly plan, you can easily send it to any other Etisalat number in the UAE. So here is how you can do it very easily. So the fastest way to send the data is by using a simple code. For that, you just have to simply open your phone's dial pad, and here you need to type #100*. After that, you need to add your recipient's number, then add star, data in MB, then hash. So for example, if you want to send 1 GB, so the number would be something of the other person. So it can look like #100* after the number of the recipient, then 1 GB, which is going to be 100 MB. So you just have to provide 1000 MB over here, and then hash. So after typing it in the dial pad, simply press this call button. So after you dial the code, the message will appear on your screen to confirm the details. It will show that your internet, the amount of data that you have, or the amount of data that you are sending, and the number of person receiving it. So to complete the transfer, simply press the one button in order to confirm it. You can also use the UAE application. For that, when you open your UAE app and log in into your account, on the home screen itself or in the manage account section, look for the option of share credit. You can also use the search bar on the top and then look for the option of share credit. When you are able to find that option, simply just select the contact, choose how much data you want to send, and confirm the transfer instantly. So this is a great way to see exactly how much data you have left to share. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.